This is a very delicate matter. A whole lot depends on how much he loves you, if at all. Hope that he does not, because things get a whole lot easier then. First, when broaching the subject, what you want to make clear is that you enjoy having sex with him and that you want this to continue, no matter what may happen in the future. Dwell on that point for a while. Describe things he does, or the way it makes you feel. Be effusive in your praise. Then you tell him that you think you need to see other people. Repeat that you still want to see him, for sex, and that the only thing that's going to change is that he can have sex with other girls too, and you won't mind one bit. Then, to demonstrate your good faith, offer to have sex with him right then and there, unless he's crying at this point, because that means that he loves you and he doesn't want sex with other people, nor does he want that for you. In this case, you'll have to dump him, and work on what you want from outside of a relationship.